Today, we're gonna have French onion chicken over rice, family, and you're gonna love this recipe. Okay, for this French onion chicken recipe, all you're gonna need is extra virgin olive oil, black pepper, thyme, oregano, chicken breast, 1 large onion, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic or 2 to 3 garlic cloves, gruyere cheese, salt, all-purpose flour, and beef broth. This is going to be a beautiful and delicious dish. And without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. Alright, now in our cast iron skillet, we're going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Next, we're going to add 1 large sliced onion. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to add a half teaspoon of black pepper. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of thyme. And we're going to go ahead and saute these onions, family, until they get a little bit transparent or golden brown, just as you see here. Now at this time, family, we're going to add 2 to 3 teaspoons of minced garlic. And we're going to thoroughly give this a nice mix, family, and this is smelling beautiful. At this time, we're going to go ahead and remove our sauteed garlic and onions, but we're not going to wash the skillet. I'm going to show you later. Now with our chicken breast, 2 pounds of chicken breast, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a half teaspoon up to a teaspoon of paprika. And we're going to go ahead and give this a thorough mix, family. I did forget to add these seasonings to the front screen, but you guys will see this in the description below. But there you have it. And we're going to go ahead and give this a nice mix, family. And that's it. Give me a like. Now we're going to go back to our skillet, to our seasoned skillet, and we're going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our mixed chicken, or our seasoned chicken, I'm sorry, family. And we're going to cook this down until it becomes golden brown. It's going to take about 5 to 7 minutes for it to do so, fam. At this time, we're going to add back in our sauteed onions. Now, we're going to go ahead and add 1.5 cups of beef broth. Yes. And we're going to go ahead and give this a thorough mix, family. This is smelling great. Give me a like. Now at this time, family, we're going to let this cook for about 5 to 7 minutes or until it boils, as you see here. Now at this time, family, we're going to go ahead and add in our gruyere cheese. Mental note, if you do not have gruyere cheese, mozzarella cheese will work just the same. Remember, the kitchen is your laboratory and cooking is a science. Make the recipe yours, family. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and cover this back up, family, for anywhere from about 6 to 10 minutes. And until then, quick facts. Where was French onion originated? Paris, France. This modern version of this soup originates in Paris, France in 18th century. Made from beef broth and caramelized onion, it was introduced to the United States by the New York restaurant of Harry McQuinn in 1861, where his wife, Mary Julie Gardine McQuinn, was the wife. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Okay. And after 10 minutes, family, you did this. And now we are all done. Our French onion chicken. And as a garnish, I'm going to go ahead and add some parsley. You can add any type of garnish as you wish. And there we have it, family. Your French onion chicken. Let's go ahead and plate this up for you guys. Yes. Delicious. I wish you guys was here to smell it. Better yet, go ahead and make it. You're gonna love it. Today, unfortunately, I can't eat this today, family. But however, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 5,000 Ddins. Until our next food adventure, peace.